Hello friends, welcome back to my recipe journal. Today we'll be making these super fluffy buttermilk pancakes, and for this recipe we'll be using the DIY pancake mix that was in the previous video I uploaded. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. First off, you want to get a clean bowl, and into the clean bowl you put in 1 egg yolk, a cup of buttermilk, vanilla extract, a tablespoon of vegetable oil or melted butter. You want to combine this well. Then you add in a cup of the pancake mix. Make sure it's properly combined. All measurements will be written down in the description box so you can check it out. In another clean bowl, you pour in 1 egg white. Then you whisk this either with an electric mixer or you whisk by hand till you get stiff peaks. Transfer the egg white into the pancake batter. Then you want to fold it gently. You don't want to mix this very harshly, just want to fold it in gently. Place a pan on it, then lightly brush it either with oil or with butter. Pour in half a cup of the pancake batter. You want it to cook on each side for at least a minute before flipping. Then you cook on the other side for a minute. Repeat the process till your batter is exhausted. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up if you do like this video, and also you can share to your friends. Now the pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Simply top up with honey or whatever topping you like, maple syrup, whatever. Just top it off with whatever you like and enjoy. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.